here with Active DataComm. It's time for another Tuesday's Tech Tips. Today I'm going to show you how to open your case. This is the standard case you'll run into most of the time. The first thing to know about opening your case is you always remove the side opposite from your faceplate. In this type of case, you simply remove the screw with a screwdriver and slide the side off. And voila! You can now begin working on your computer. Cases don't always open up from the left side, and they don't always need to have a screwdriver to open them up. This one has a thumb screw. Simply twist it and slide. Cases come in different sizes and shapes, and sometimes multiple screws need to be removed. With some cases, you need to search for the hidden latch. Like in this Dell case, simply pull the latch and the side pops right off. Sometimes you run into really weird cases. On this one you have two latches. 1, 2. That's all for today's Tuesday's Tech Tips.
This has been another Tuesday's Tech Tip from Active DataComm. Thank you for watching, and if you ever need help with your computer, network, website, or any IT issues, just call Clix or come by. Call us toll free at 1-877-55-FIX-IT. Visit us online at www.callactive.com or stop by at 1203 Nell Street in Tupelo, Mississippi.